Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski and today we are continuing with the building financial model of hotel from scratch. Today's video will be devoted to reaching the planned revenue that we've created already. We have revenue here. We have this direct cost for the typical year. But let us assume that we won't be able to get this planned revenue right for the first month when we start our business, because we will get these values, for example, on the 6th, 7th, or even 20th month from the start of operating activity. We won't be able to get these planned revenues for the first month when we start. And we have to create some algorithm that will allow us to adjust the speed of reaching this planned revenue and direct costs. This is very important because when you create the speed of reaching the algorithm that allows you to adjust the speed of reaching these planned values, this will allow you to calculate more accurate the real amount of financing that you need to start your business. Because the first several months of when you start your own business, your expenses can be bigger than your revenues, and you will have to add more money from your pocket or from bank loan to finance all the losses while your business doesn't reach the break-even point. And for that purpose, for adjusting the speed of reaching this revenue, we will create a specific algorithm that will help you to see more accurate the real amount of financing that you will need to start your business. So what we will do, the first year and the first month of when we start our operating activities here, we will take the first 25 months of operating activity for adjustment. So these are the months from the start of activity. Then we have to put the number of this month here. For that purpose, we will use VLOOKUP function. So October is the 10th month inside the year. So here we will create the cycles of months inside the year, the cycles. Now we will create VLOOKUP function for the month. So for example, when we start the operating activity, we will get only 4% of these revenues. And for example, the pace of growing will be 4%. So these will be the inputs of our model. So on the second year after we start our operating activity, we will reach our planned values of revenues. And now it's time for us to place these numbers here. So what we will do now, we will add a line here. We will name it reaching the planned revenue. The format of this line will be %. And the task for this line is to place this percentage, reaching the planned revenue, from this moment. So for that purpose we will use if formula.
So now we just have to extrapolate this formula to all of our and now we can see that when our operating activity starts, we have only 4% of planned revenue and direct cost linked to the revenue. So we can see how slightly revenue is reaching the planned values, and we can easily displace that moment. For example, if we want the operating activities this moment to the left, for example, to reach the planned revenue faster, we can adjust this table of inputs. And using this instrument, we'll be able to calculate different scenarios of how much money you will need to start your business. For example, if your is reaching a break-even point faster or slower, you will be able to see how much money you need in this case, in this scenario or that scenario. You can easily create this scenario without retyping huge amounts of data, that kind of stuff. It's very easy to create different variables, see how to start your business here. So the next video will be devoted to the revenues. We'll create this table of direct costs inside the timeline and use this coefficient to adjust the revenues and direct costs. So if you find this video useful, you may give us a like. You may also subscribe our channel. Also, you can share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your business idea. See you in next videos, and bye.